Hi, I'm Laura from Element 8.
And I'm Lenny, and welcome to yet another one of our video takeaway series.
In these videos, we provide tips, how-tos, and insights, and hopefully help and guide you to get the most value from your industrial automation software.
Now today we're going to look a little bit on the Axiom training tool that comes with a Canary solution, and we're going to see how URL parameterization within the tool can really help you to create great visualization concepts for you and your entire team.
So often, Axiom trend charts end up on faceplates or embedded into SCADA packages that provides crucial data to engineers via HMI screens.
Now, sometimes it is quite challenging to get these third-party applications integrated and embedded inside of your SCADA solution. Sometimes you have to do a lot of rework to get that historical objects that's already there, to link them and to get that historical data into the existing trending tools. And hopefully we can show you with the Axiom tool how quick and easy it is to do that.
Yes, unfortunately, Axiom actually has a great feature that can help you with this task. It is called the URL parameters. So you can simply create a basic Axiom trend chart, absent any specific tags, and then just format it to your preference. Just think about draw style, legend placement, etc.
The whole idea about this is to make your work as little as possible. So the great thing is that you can now get lots of historical data streams pointed to the one single Axiom instance of the trend and format that with the URL parameters to actually get the trends that you want to see on that trend. So it really makes it easy to integrate and a lot of simple configuration for you to get it going.
And you can also check this out on the video using the Axiom's URL parameters in the link down below. And that is our takeaway video for today, and how Canary and its URL parameters for Axiom can create an endless visualization possibilities for your entire team. And thank you for watching.
Thanks guys. Cheers.